Hey guys, welcome back. As you guys all know that Xiaomi is rolling out Android 9.0 Pie update for MI A1 users. I have covered all ROM features and new things in this update, but still many users are asking me about dual 4G and dual VoLTE in the comments. So today in this video I will clear all of your questions regarding dual 4G and dual VoLTE support, camera to API, EIS, front portrait, triple support, multi-touch issue and some other features which are missing right now. So watch the video till the end. So first let's test the dual 4G and dual VoLTE support. When the update came, I haven't tested the dual 4G and VoLTE support as this is a MI A1 device, so I was not expecting this to happen. That time many people on XDA and also in the comments keep asking me for testing this. Xiaomi has changed some firmware files and modem which they also want to implement same in MI A2 Lite, and they are using same files in MI A1. That's why dual 4G and dual VoLTE is working in this Pie update. As you can see, I am using two GeoSIMs on my MI A1. You can see the message on the notification bar that SIM1 and SIM2 is HD capable. Also, two HD icons in the status bar and also enhanced 4G VoLTE message under network settings. I have enabled this on both SIM cards. Now let's test it from the dialer. So now I am calling from SIM1 and there is no issue with GeoSIM1 as you can see. Now let's test the second GeoSIM and call from it. I can't believe VoLTE is working in two GeoSIMs on Snapdragon 625 with X9 modem, which they have changed now. Data is also working on both SIM, so this is a great use for Xiaomi Mi A1 users. Now let's talk about camera to API support in Xiaomi Mi A1. Many guys were asking me for this. I have tested camera to API using manual camera compatibility test. As you can see, it's all red, which means there is no camera to API support with Pie update. Moving to the next, let's talk about Project Triple support with Pie update. I have checked this with Triple Check app, but as you can see, Project Triple is not supported as of now, but our device supports seamless system updates as it's a AB partition device. Now let's talk about the camera app. Sadly, this is the same camera app. There is no 1080p recording or EIS update on the camera app. Also, some of you are asking me to check for front portrait mode. Now let's talk about fast charging. As you guys can see, I have both chargers. One is official and second one is Xiaomi's fast charger. I have tested this and on the lock screen it says charging rapidly. Charging time and current voltage is same as stock. I have tested this. So this is a bug, there is no fast charging in the Pie update. Some of you guys have facing lags in games like PUBG. That is because multi-touch issue. Even while gaming, I feel this too. As you can see the multi-touch test, I feel there is a slight glitch in this. I hope in official update Xiaomi will fix this. Also, one thing to notice, they have enabled swipe up on home button like Pixel devices, but sadly there is no swipe fingerprint for notification. Also, the double tap to wake is missing in this update, but we are getting FM radio support and Google Files Go as a file manager instead of Xiaomi file manager. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. If you guys have any queries and if you have any issues while installing this ROM, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.